best place to shop Charles and Keith in Singapore. Did not like their collection. Not even 2,500 per shoes. मुझे इतना cheap क्यों पड़ा है? Forex card का funds. God has his plan. Something happened on that day. मेरे को लग रहा है अभी मैं जला दूँ. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Ritu and hope you guys are doing fantastic. So welcome to my Singapore haul video. So as you know, I went to Singapore to celebrate my birthday. My birthday vlog is already live on my channel. I'll leave the link to it in the description box below so that you can go and check it out. So as I show you guys the items that I have got from Singapore, I'll also be sharing with you guys places that you should visit if you want to shop from Singapore on a budget, because as we all know, Singapore is an expensive country. So once you know these places, it will help you to get the best possible offers, discounts that Singapore has to offer. And I'll be also popping the prices which I paid to get these items, and obviously I'll convert it into INR for your better reference. So yeah, I am so excited to share with you guys everything that I have got from Singapore, and without any further ado, let's just jump into today's video. Of course, when it comes to starting Singapore haul, we have to start with Charles and Keith. Oh my god, you guys. I mean, if you don't know already, Charles and Keith is Singapore का in-house brand. इसलिए it is very cheap as compared to India. So India में जो H&M के prices है ना, Singapore में Charles and Keith के वो prices है because वो Singapore का in-house brand है. So the first product that I got from Charles and Keith, if you know me, you guessed it right. It's a bag, you guys. It comes in a dust bag. Let me quickly show you the love of my life currently. Just look at this. I mean, the moment I saw this, I knew that I have to get this because of the color. It is such a summer color. I haven't styled this bag yet, but मैंने बैठे-बैठे बस visualize कर दिया था the pop of color that it is going to add to my outfit, and the way it is going to amp up my outfit in a very stylish way. And also I did not have anything of this size in my bag collection, so I wanted to buy a mini bag. And plus ये straps को भी आप adjust कर सकते हो. Once you open this bag, ये ऐसा magnetic system का lock है, see, which again I love. This is what it looks like from inside. It comes with a detachable card holder. I love this card holder because if I'm not carrying this bag, I can just detach the card holder and put it in my different bag and make use of this as well अलग से. And then again इसके अंदर it has a separate space to keep your coins and everything. So I bought this bag for 29 Singapore dollars, you guys. Oh my god, what a steal deal I have got. If you convert it into INR, it is 1784 rupees. What? So the next item that I got from Charles and Keith is a card holder. Now I got this card holder for my mom. Just look at how gorgeous it is, you guys. Just look at the print happening. कितना classy and chic look है इसका. Even the color. ये सिर्फ एक ही पीस था, ना तो मैं सेम ले लेती मेरे लिए भी. Because just look at it. इसके पीछे भी you can just put your notes and add coins and just carry this. If you don't want to carry your wallet, you can just simply step out with this card holder. I paid 18 Singapore dollars, which if you convert into INR, it is 1,107 rupees. For the price, for the quality, it is a steal deal. Moving to my second bag from Charles and Keith, and the last item which I bought from Charles and Keith is, मुझे पता था कि bags and फुटवेयर तो मुझे लेना ही है चार्ल्स एंड कीथ से. सो यू गाइज जस्ट लुक एट हाउ गॉर्जियस दिस लुक्स. ओ माय गॉड, अगेन ये जो बकल डिटेलिंग है गोल्ड का. द लॉन्गेस्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आई वांटेड टू बाय पम्प्स, एंड स्पेसिफिकली जो इतने पॉइंटी हो, मुझे ऐसे कोई मिल ही नहीं रहे थे. एंड प्लस मैंने सॉ इट इन चार्ल्स एंड कीथ, आई एम लाइक ब्रांडेड भी है, अच्छा कॉस्ट भी मिल रहा है. सो आई जस्ट एंडेड अप बाइंग दिस वन. ये ऐसा कुशन वाला फीलिंग देता है वंस यू वेयर इट, बट द ओनली थिंग इज कि मेरे पैर ना नैरो है, सो ये लिटिल बिट लूज है मेरे लिए. But I am not complaining because they look very chic, they look very classy, and I can't wait to style it. One thing that I wanted to point out over here, इसका glue थोड़ा थोड़ा निकलना चालू हो गया corner से. As you can see, I hope the camera is catching this. And ये दूसरे इस पे ये ऐसा निकल रहा है. Of course I checked it when I was buying it, तभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. अभी when I removed it, मैंने ये देखा, दिस पीस वॉज प्राइस एट 53 सिंगापुर डॉलर्स, बट ये सेल सेक्शन से मैंने उठाया. हेंस आई एंडेड अप पेइंग 37.70 सिंगापुर डॉलर्स, व्हिच कम्स अप टू 2275 INR. सो मे बी ये सेल पीस था इसलिए ये हो रहा है, बिकॉज सेल पीसेस आर यूजुअली उनका ओल्ड स्टॉक. स्टिल गाइज, चार्ल्स एंड कीथ है, विदाउट इवन वेयरिंग दिस, ये सब होना नहीं चाहिए. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू जस्टिफाई इट इन माय हेड विद द प्राइस दैट आई पेड फॉर इट. ज़ारा से भी कम प्राइस में मुझे चार्ल्स एंड कीथ मिला. ऑल्सो आई डोंट फील व्हेन आई वेंट टू Singapore, the collection was good in Charles and Keith. Hence, I only ended up buying like specific items which I really loved and which I was like, I'll make good use of this. Baki, I feel was, I don't know, I just did not like that collection itna ki even if I was getting for a very good price, I was like, I just don't want to stock up on pieces just because I'm getting it for cheap, you know. So I was like, स्पेसिफिक चीजें ही लूंगी बट जो एकदम मन में भरा है वो ही आइटम्स आई हैव बॉट फ्रॉम सिंगापुर. इफ आई हैड टू टेल यू गाइस बेस्ट प्लेस टू शॉप चार्ल्स एंड कीथ इन सिंगापुर वुड बी, I mean, जिधर मुझे कलेक्शन ज्यादा अच्छा लगा that was City Square Mall which was right opposite our hotel. If you have seen my birthday vlog, you know what I'm talking about. उनका कलेक्शन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Then next was IMM which is the outlet mall in Singapore. So उधर से I got my bag and card holder. So उधर का कलेक्शन भी मुझे अच्छा लगा. And this I bought from City Square Mall. So ये दो places का कलेक्शन मुझे अच्छा लगा. एयरपोर्ट का भी don't wait for the airport. एयरपोर्ट पे बहुत limited pieces आपको मिलेंगे. So just locally आप जितना Charles and Keith stores देख पाते हो just check it out. Just don't wait till the airport because airport पे I saw very minimum items and ये card holder भी मुझे उधर भी available नहीं देखा. So yeah, that's everything I have got from Charles and Keith. Now let's quickly move on to another brand which is Nike. So in Changi City Mall we went to Nike का outlet store of course and उधर से I ended up buying 2 footwear for me and my ब्रदर. हमारे इस चप्पल का साइज देखो आप, बॉक्सेस से आपको समझता है कि मेरा पैर कितना छोटा है उससे. सो लेट मी शो यू व्हाट आई बॉट फॉर माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम नाइकी. Very basic, but I wanted to add all black Nike shoes in my footwear collection. I'm just building my wardrobe again, you guys. So hence मेरे को पता है कि मुझे specifically क्या क्या चाहिए. And if I saw it in Singapore, I've ended up buying it. So just look at it. Again, you guys style this in so many ways because I feel basic black shoes सबको चाहिए. I am not a shoe person, but have already worn them like thrice, I would say. So good progress I am making, and I'm really liking this. So that's what I got for myself. I'll tell you the costing ये वाला बता के आपको. The next Nike pair which I got for my brother are these. Oh my god, just look at them you guys. I mean you can never go wrong with black and white and I know कि उसके collection में भी black and white shoes नहीं था. He has like I don't know how many pairs he has Nike से but he did not have a black and white shoes and जैसे I saw them I was like I'm gonna take it because I am obsessed with black and white and I'm obsessed with pop of color जो इधर Nike का लाइन दिख रहा है आपको वो भी रेड में है. So मेरे अकॉर्डिंग मेरा जो लाइकिंग था वो टिक हो रहा था. He loves it you guys. So I was very happy to see his reaction when he wears it. They just look so good. Few of the price you guys are going to flip. I'm just going to tell you collective costing कैसे पड़ा मुझे outlet mall से. So Saurabh also ended up buying one pair of shoes. So collectively हमारा bill था 119 footwear का. Can you believe that? So Changi City Point which is an outlet mall as I mentioned उधर offers चल रहे थे Nike के store में that if you buy 3 items you will get 40% off on it and of course if your total is above 100 Singapore dollars you can get the tax refund on the airport. So since our total was 190 we got tax refund and उसके बाद मेरे को कॉस्टिंग पता नहीं कि एग्जैक्टली कितने का पड़ा है बट इफ यू रिमूव सौरभ का शूज एंड ये दो शूज मुझे 77 सिंगापुर डॉलर्स के लिए पड़े हैं अपार्ट फ्रॉम द टैक्स रिफंड. सो इफ यू कन्वर्ट 77.88 सिंगापुर डॉलर्स इन INR दैट इज 4,736 रुपीज. लाइक व्हाट, नाइकी के शूज इतने चीप में एंड इफ यू डिवाइड इट इज नॉट इवन 2,500 पर शूज राइट. आई मीन जब मैंने ये बैठ के कैलकुलेट किया लाइक इस इट मुझे इतना चीप का पड़ा है बिकॉज वी डिड नॉट इवन हैव टाइम टू प्रोसेस कि इतना चीप का हम लोग को मिल रहा है बिकॉज वी जस्ट हैड टू लाइक रश फॉर आवर फ्लाइट. सो हेंस हम लोग ने तब भी हमारा इतना हिट नहीं हुआ कि इतना चीप में मिल रहा है. लाइक लगेज भी मैं एक्स्ट्रा परचेज कर लेती बट नेक्स्ट टाइम आएगी. एंड Changi City Mall is just right beside the airport. Definitely visit Changi City Mall if you want to shop from Nike and even IMM outlet mall है उधर भी नाइकी का स्टोर है बट उधर भी डिड नॉट एंड अप बाइंग बिकॉज हमारे फॉरेक्स का रिचार्ज होकर अमाउंट रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं हो रहा था. सो हेंस वी वर लाइक चांगी सिटी पॉइंट से हम लोग ले लेंगे. ऑफर्स आर मोर और लेस द सेम ओनली आउटलेट मॉल में. आई वुड से ये दोनों आउटलेट मॉल में हम लोगों ने जो विजिट किया. टू क्लोथ्स दैट आई हैव गॉट फ्रॉम सिंगापुर आई हैव ओनली बॉट 2 items you guys. So the first one which I picked is this one. It is so cute and it is so soft. It is such a summer appropriate print you guys. पूरा stripes बना and I love the red piping happening. मेरे पास again red में बहुत कम options है. ये मैंने Cotton On से लिया है Changi City Point के Cotton On से and I paid only $3 for this. Cotton On had such an amazing collection, you guys. I just wish we had time, and I just wish when we went to IMM हमारा forex card का funds show करता हम लोग को, उधर issue हो गया ना, तो I am telling you, I would have shopped my heart out in Cotton On because the quality, the collection, I really loved it. So the next clothing item that I have is this hoodie. Oh my god, it looks so cool, you guys. इसमें ना ऐसा untroubled लिखा हुआ है, as you can see now. If you watched my Dubai mall का vlog, you know I wanted to explore Pull&Bear and Bershka because Pull&Bear and Bershka इधर नहीं है, and they are internationally very famous brands like H&M, Zara जैसे ही है. दुबई मॉल का जो कलेक्शन था Pull&Bear का, I did not like it then, and hence मैंने सिर्फ Bershka से शॉपिंग कर लिया था. So इधर when we went to Iron Orchard Mall, we went to Pull&Bear, and उधर men's section में मुझे ये hoodie दिखा. I don't have hoodie in my collection. I don't know, मतलब मेरे सारे hoodies थोड़े पुराने, थोड़े नहीं काफी पुराने हो गए. उसके बाद I have not bought hoodie. जैसे I wore this, oh my god, it was looking so cool, you guys. I mean, I can just throw this on and I can just wear a mini shorts and be good to go. इतना ज़्यादा dope लगता है. Like I love street style, the color, I love the oversized fit, I love इसका hemline because hemline जो ऐसा होता है ना, जो gather करता है, मुझे ज़रा भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. And of course it has pockets, so everything this hoodie was sticking, and Saurabh knew कि मुझे पसंद ही नहीं आ रहे थे hoodie. So now that I liked it, he was like, babe, I'm gonna buy it for you. It is a gift. So इसका price that he paid for it was 30 Singapore dollars, which is 1,845 rupees. I think ये भी सेल में था उनके कुछ तो, because Pull&Bear is expensive. इसका टैग है इधर. Yeah, see, $65 का इसका MRP है, बट इसका सेल कॉस्टिंग इज 29.90, which is 30 Singapore dollars. 55% का मेरे को लिटरली डिस्काउंट मिला है. God has his plans कि भाई तू इंडिया में हुडी नहीं लेगी, तू सिंगापुर में जाकर हुडी लेगी. Moving to all the souvenirs that we have got for ourselves and our friends and family. So the first item which I got as a souvenir is this cutie little prudy. Just look at that, you guys. कितना मस्त प्यारा सा squishy unicorn है ये. So I got this from Museum of Ice Cream as a souvenir because I enjoyed that place thoroughly. If you're going to Singapore, you should definitely visit that place. आपका inner child एकदम ऐसा जाग जाएगा, and you will feel so happy over there. Something happened on that day, but it did not stop me from enjoying. If you watched my mini vlog, you can go and see what I'm talking about. But yeah, I just have so many amazing memories from that place that I had to buy a souvenir for myself. I got this for 7 Singapore dollars, which is around 434 INR rupees. ऐसा कुछ तो पड़ेगा आपको. Second souvenir item which we got for our friends and family are these cute little candles. ये बहुत हम लोग को मस्त लगा, ये अलग कॉन्सेप्ट लगा. ये इस पर ऐसा सिंगापुर लिखा हुआ आता है. सो आई फील इट्स अ परफेक्ट आइटम टू गिफ्ट समवन एज सोवेनियर्स. एंड इसके अंदर मस्त कैंडल है. आई थिंक मुझे और लेने चाहिए थे खुद को रखने के लिए भी. Smells also very nice, you guys. मेरे को लग रहा है अभी मैं एक जला दूँ रख लूँ. I feel it's just a perfect item to gift to your friends and family as souvenirs because इस पे सिंगापुर का बना ही है लायन सिटी का लोगो, बट ये जो प्रिंट है और ये जो बॉक्स है, इवन कैंडल खत्म होने के बाद आप इस पे कुछ स्टोर कर सकते हो. सो वी पेड 10 Singapore dollars for 4 candles, which was around 615 in INR. अभी जो मैं आपको रेट बोल रही हूँ कन्वर्ट करके, वो आज का रेट चल रहा है, सो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू. सो द नेक्स्ट आइटम एंड द लास्ट souvenir that we got for ourselves is, of course, if you know me, it's a French magnet, you guys. Just look at it. Proper पूरा सिंगापुर के attractions बने हैं, and ये Starbucks का बना है उनका Lion City का logo. So I bought this. I bought this for 2 Singapore dollars. This one I got from Arab Street, and that's everything that I have got from Singapore. So collectively shopping I have done of 206 Singapore dollars, which INR में it is 12,669 rupees. I feel 12,669 का जो मैंने shopping किया है वो totally worth it है because they are branded, they are good quality. Minimum items लिए but मैंने necessary items लिए जो मुझे definitely मेरे wardrobe में चाहिए थे. So I'm glad. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions and if you want me to make a specific Singapore shopping guide because there is a lot to explore in Singapore, you guys. ये तो मैंने जैसे जिधर जिधर से shopping किया उधर उधर से मैंने सिर्फ आपको बताया, but I have explored a lot of things. I have explored बुगी स्ट्रीट ऑल्सो, उसका भी मैंने अलग से वीडियो बनाया है शॉर्ट्स रील्स पे, आप जाके वो भी देख सकते हो. बट कलेक्टिवली इफ यू वांट मी टू मेक अ सिंगापुर शॉपिंग गाइड, बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन टू गिव यू गाइस, आई वुड लव टू मेक it. So leave a comment in the description box below. And yeah, make sure you're following me on my Instagram to see how I style everything that I've bought from Singapore. And also if you like this video, you know that, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. That being said, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, live and let live. Take care. Bye-bye.